Let's face it, trying to learn a field like robotics with a traditional textbook is tough. The technology is just moving way too fast. So today, we're going to look at a project that was built to solve this exact problem for a hackathon all about AI-native education.
Right, so the challenge for the Panaversity Hackathon was super clear. Get away from static, old-school learning and build something new for physical AI. You know, for the robots that actually see and interact with the world around them. And this project? It's the answer to that call.
So this brings up the big question, doesn't it? How in the world do you build a textbook for something so complex and fast-paced? How do you make it an intelligent partner that helps you learn instead of just a bunch of pages you have to read?
Well, the answer is to make the textbook itself AI native. This isn't just some PDF. No way. It's a living, breathing web application. And you know the best part? It's already live and deployed on GitHub Pages. You can go check it out right now.
It's built on a really modern framework called Docusaurus, and it covers all the essentials. I mean, we're talking about ROS 2, which is kind of like the operating system for robots, and powerful simulators like Gazebo and NVIDIA Isaac Sim. It even dives into the really cutting-edge stuff like humanoid robotics and the models that let machines connect what they see with language and with action.
Okay, now this is where things get really cool. What makes this textbook so smart is the learning assistant that's built right in. It's a chatbot that uses a technique called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. Basically, it lets the AI read the entire textbook in real time to find you the most accurate answers.
And, to make that happen, you need some serious tech under the hood. It's using OpenAI's agents, a super fast FastAPI backend, and these specialized databases from Neon and Qdrant that let it search the book's content almost instantly. This unlocks two incredible ways to learn. First, you can ask a big question about any concept in the whole book, and it'll give you a great answer. But even better, you can just highlight a single paragraph that's confusing you and ask the AI to explain just that part. It's literally like having a personal tutor who's an expert on the text.
But an intelligent tool isn't much good if people can't access it. And that's where this amazing bonus feature comes into play, which is all about making this knowledge available to more people.
With just one click, literally one click of a button, any user who's logged in can instantly translate a chapter's content into Urdu. This is a huge deal for breaking down language barriers and making this kind of high-level technical education available to a global audience.
So, when you put it all together, what's the takeaway? Well, it's a project that didn't just meet its goals, it knocked them out of the park.
The core requirements for the hackathon? All done. Those crucial bonus features? Yep, implemented. And did it demonstrate what AI native learning should look like? Absolutely. It's a powerful proof of concept for the future.
At the end of the day, a project like this is all about its motto, helping learners master the future of intelligent machines. It takes the textbook from a static thing you read to an interactive partner you learn with. And with tools like this, that future of education feels a whole lot closer.